Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a K-pop CAD. First, decide if you'll use a free or pro account. Both offer great starting points. Then, choose a blank canvas to build from scratch or pick a template that aligns with your K-pop vision. Take a moment to explore the intuitive CAD interface, which makes customizing your site straightforward and fun. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth creative process. Now, let's dive into designing your K-pop theme. Upload vibrant, high-resolution images and engaging GIF of your beloved idols to truly bring your CAD to life. Carefully choose fonts and a color palette that perfectly capture the unique aesthetic of your chosen K-pop group. Thoughtfully arrange all your elements, ensuring a visually stunning and cohesive layout that fans will adore. Next, enrich your CAD with compelling content and interactive features. Seamlessly embed links to your K-pop group's official social media, captivating music videos, and dedicated fan pages. Craft engaging text sections for detailed member profiles, comprehensive discographies, or the latest news updates. Incorporate interactive buttons and simple forms to significantly boost user engagement, making your CAD a dynamic hub for fans. Finally, it's time to publish and share your amazing K-pop CAD. Before going live, meticulously review every detail to catch any potential errors or inconsistencies. Decide whether to use a custom domain for a professional touch or opt for the convenient free CAD subdomain. Once published, proudly share your creation across all your social media platforms, inviting fellow fans to explore your dedicated K-pop space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.